Felix Oro ni muthaki wa tene na riu ni mwarimu wa thukuru umwe wa muthingi kaunti-ini ya Nakuru, na thutha wa mihango yake ya o muthenya acemanagia na Nyarari ciake kiharo-ini kia Nakuru Athletic Club gucirunga wega megie muthako wa mubira wa gonya. No kuringana na Felix, Kenya wita bururi nduri urahimbiria muthako wa gonya kuri Nyarari. Kibaro giake kinene ari kunina witikio wa andu ati mubira uyu wa gonya ni wa thuri na njamba cirete. Itua ria nyabaro uyu ari kurera iheo nini na gucikuria.
I was able to call some parents, and with time they had no problem with it. And bringing these girls to the rugby club was a big motivator for them, because they were now able to see how rugby is played and how tough it is.
Kirabu giki kia Nakuru RFC makoretwo magithakira ligi nene ya guku bururi-ini na kimera kihituku marikirie mari namba 3 na ni makoretwo ningi makiheana athaki aria mathakagira timu nene ya Nyarari ya Kenya Lionesses.
With the successes that have come with rugby, I can attribute that we have several players who are being looked at to play for the national team, and we have one Grace Adhiambo.
Dorcas Nyabura ni captain wa Nyarari ici na riu ari kirathi gia form 3 na ambiririe guthaka ari kirathi gia 5 kiroto kia Nyarari o yothe ri thiini wa kirabu giki ari guthakira timu nene ya bururi.
Tumetravel, tumeweza kwenda in UK for nini ya tour raid. Tulienda na tukakaa like almost a week, yenye ilitusaidia tukaweza ku make friends, yenye tunaweza sema tuli make friends for it was a tour for a week and we made friends for a lifetime. Nataka nikuwe nachezea Kenya national team hopefully, na tukue tumeendelea as a club, na tukue na watu wenye wanaweza kuja huku nje watu support.
Kabuni ya maguta ya Menegai Oilers nio aigithia nene kirabu-ini giki. Nyabara Felix akiuga ati mieke ya kuoya athaki aru ni minini, akiuga he bata andu kwiyumiria na kuhingura irabu nyingi cia Nyarari.
But for now I still count myself. I've not yet made it, because I really want to see the country participating in the World Cup, in the Olympics. Not just participating but also performing there at the Olympics.
Gukiri uguo muthako uyu ni ubatie gwikirirwo muno makiria ligi-ini ya guku bururi-ini, na angikorwo matuko mwega ni tukwenda timu ina hinya ta ya Romeria ya Shujaa Sevens, no nginyagia athaki arutwo makorwo makiramatwo wona marikia thukuru. Iribotera Kameme TV haro-ini kuma kaunti ya Nakuru, njitagwo Kuria wa Gicimu.